So this is my 2019 Ram 3500, and I'm going to be installing these Phoenix wide lucks, either maybe down here in the lower part of the grill or behind the top part of the grill. And I'm just going to walk through the process of doing it. If I have to remove the grill, step one is removing the plastic piece up here. They are all attached with these little push pins. You just take a screwdriver, or they do make a special tool for it, pry it up, and then pry up the bottom part, and this is the last one. Now with all the pins removed, let's remove this plastic piece. You have to pull it away from the fender here, and then you should be able to lift straight up and it come right off. Okay, so to get this little piece away from the fender, you just have to push it in on it like so. And I actually missed on the back of the cover, there's two more push pins that have to be taken out. Now we should be able to just lift up and remove this piece like so. So now with the plastic piece removed, I removed the bolt right here, one right there. Working on this one there, got that one, and then the one over there. And we're going to remove this top piece of trim here on top of the grill. And I think with that removed, we may be able to get behind the grill enough without removing everything to maybe mount them right here. And I'm thinking I have to go to a smaller light rather than the wide lucks. Use the Fusions right here behind the grill. We'll see if that works. Okay, so now we have the chrome trim off across the top, and it was hiding an extra bolt on each side right here and on the other side, and I just took a screwdriver, pried this up, and now we have some movement in the grill. So we may have, yeah, looks like we have enough space to get an arm down there to be able to put the lights behind the grill without taking everything apart. So be back in a minute. So I went ahead and did all the wires for the light on this side, and as you can see, I was able to get it behind there. Now, it wasn't that easy. I had to pull the grill apart from the active grill shutters back there, and then just kind of squeeze your arm between it while you zip tie it from the front. And if you don't have small arms, yeah, you're going to get marked up a little bit, but that's all right. You just got to tighten down the zip ties on this, do the other side, and then connect the wires to the auxiliary switches. Bracket, how I was able to keep the lights in, I just ran electrical tape around the ends of both sides. You just want to make sure to not cover up the breather right there.